Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change your settings on X. Okay, so let's open for that X application and go to profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then basically enter settings section, settings and privacy. And this is basically your settings where you can adjust whatever that you want to and that you need to. So let's look at some sections that you have in your settings. This is your account, security and accounts access, monetization, premium, timeline, privacy and safety, notifications, accessibility, display languages, and some additional resources. So check out those sections and customize whatever that you feel need to customize, and let me show you how to enable or disable some functions. For example, let's go to notifications section, and for example it'll be filters. So let's change this settings of quality filter. For example, if you don't want to have some function to be enabled, you have to basically disable it, which is logical. So you have to move the slider to the left just like this to disable some kind of function, and if you want to vice versa enable it, you have to move the slider to the right like this, and your function or your setting will be enabled. So yes, here are many options that you can adjust to yourself. Just look at those and try to customize for the best experience. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.